One new technology we're using a lot for landscape studies and for general geology is drones. Probably a lot of you have a drone. They're so widely available, and they come from really tiny to really gigantic and capable of carrying very big instruments. The ones I like to carry around in the field are pretty small and portable, just so that I can hike around and access the field sites easily. And my primary aim is to take pictures of the landscape. And I can get these at really high levels of detail. So I might get something like a centimeter, half an inch of resolution in the landscape, and the pictures are being taken from like 300 feet overhead. And we might be able to do that over a wide region, 4 or 5 miles, and then a couple hundred feet across. And we can use that to help us understand what are the materials in the landscape, how widely spaced are things like these white materials behind me compared with gravels behind me, how dispersed are they the same on one end of the field than the other? And that tells us about what the wind has been doing in that area. I also really like to use them for what's called digital elevation models. So you can use the images and how they overlap with each other to tell you what the elevation and the slopes of that region are. And that's a really kind of special technology that's very exciting. And so we could tell, we've been walking along this area. It's a general downhill slope, but it will tell us the ridges and gullies and the hills and the valleys in great detail. And that all, again, speaks to the action of the wind on the landscape.